Alright, friends, welcome to Mark Driver channel. Today we are going to work on the front disc pad replacement of 2014 Nissan Rogue. Okay, first we'll get this wheel cover off, expose the bolts, loosen the bolt, lift the tire, get the tire off, and start working on the brake pad. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a 21mm bolt. Let's loosen it. Okay, we exposed the pad right now. Let's examine it. Well, actually, there's a lot of pad left on the front. I don't think we need to change it. I'll talk with the owner and check, see if he really wanna change it. Hello friends, welcome to Merc Driver channel. Today we are going to work on the rear brake pads replacements for 2014 Nissan Rogue. We just examined the pad thickness. In fact, it's not that bad yet, but the owner wanna keep this car for a long time, so it's better to just replace it. There is about half of the thickness left, okay, and this one has lost about 80,000 miles already. So let's get started. This should be an easy job. Okay, so we can use a screwdriver to apply the piston back very gently. Be gentle, okay? Okay, I think this is done. Okay, she's loosened. You can free to slide. Now next step is remove this two bolt. We'll see what the size of it. Okay. Okay, this is the 14mm size of the bolt. For the upper one, it doesn't have enough space for socket coming in, so you just ratchet, okay? The open eye ratchet, and the bottom one you can use the standard socket. See this? Okay, just loosen it. All right, okay. This one, okay. Loosen both bolts and take the piston on the bolt, really the sliding pin out. Let's examine. Probably we will need to re-lubricate it. We'll see. Okay, stay tuned. There is no pin. It's just a bolt. with some grease on. Okay, the top one you can leave it right in because the brake line is in the way. Okay, it's very light. Now is to take the brake pad off. Put this bracket on, and that's it. Well, don't forget to use your grease, okay, to lubricate this bracket to avoid those squeaking noise. Okay.